Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Not too much movement here today. It hit yesterday this support area that we defined based on the fib levels, fib support between the 61.8 and the 78.6 retracement of the wave 1. So yeah, we now just need to watch if it actually really turns around here. Wouldn't be surprised if it makes one more dip into the support area and then breaks out. But ideally it's holding the 7.33 cent level. Below that level, this 1-2 setup that would be followed by a third wave to the upside would become very unlikely. We will then rather be focusing here on the downside in a third wave to the downside. Remember that is actually still the primary scenario, but still we have a valid turning point, a valid pivot that can be traded on the long side. So again, just for everybody who's new and might be confused, if you have a bullish and a bearish count, my view is you don't trade the count. If you have a primary count, you don't insist on the primary count, even if it is more probable. You have two counts with decent probability, then you can trade setups on both sides, because there is no guarantee that the primary count is actually going to work out. So we need to be tactical here. It's not about being right or wrong with your primary count. I mean, ideally this stuff is here to make people money and not to be right or wrong. So we need to have an open mind and trade setups on low risk and high reward setups that can go either way. So, and we have here one of these setups. It hit the support area, and now ideally in a third wave that would take us above 13 cents. But the bearish count is still very much the primary expectation, and we came down in a wave 1. This here was a wave 2, and we could already be now in the third wave, fourth and the fifth, which would ideally take us below the June low, which was at 5 cents. But yeah, for now we need to be watching if it's holding the support area. It's still in the descending channel, so a very first clear signal that it would actually break out and rally in a third wave would be a break out of the channel. And in the next step, it needs to break above the B wave high, which was at 9.2 cents, and then could follow through to the next resistance at basically 10 cents. That will be a very, very important resistance area, and we probably will not break through that in the first attempt. So would rather say we will get another bounce to the downside and then eventually come up to the 13 cent plus range. Yeah, that's everything new here on that's everything that's worth updating about Doge. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.